What is up mga mahilig sa mga? This is your boy, Amoy Peranyan, and this is my co-host,
Terence, and may
And-
special guest tayo today.
syempre, si Sir Sydney from Scent Space.
Scent Space.
Alright, can you give us, by the way, si Sir Sydney, he is also a very enthusiast sa fragrances, and he owns a small business, decanting business, no, Sir Sydney?
And full bottles.
Mga full bottles din. So, if you're looking for any mga klaseng mga artisan, niche, and designer type of a scents, mga hard to find, you can message si Sir Sydney from Scent Space na page. Okay? We will just put the page niya, we will flash it here sa video para makita nyo and you can inquire sa kanya. Okay? So, bakit pala si Sir Sydney nandito ngayon sa special guest sa amin? Kasi, si Sir Sydney, he owns a full bottle of
Wave Child.
Yeah.
From room 1015. Pero, sadly, naubusan na tayo ng stock. So, wala. Let's trust our nose na lang.
No?
Yeah.
It's okay kasi, Armin, di ba, we strive to make these reviews na dapat, sabi natin, dapat nako-compare natin sa OG.
Exactly.
Kaya may special guest tayo ngayon. Baka sabihin nyo, stirero na naman kami natin. So, si Sydney yung point of reference natin ngayon sa OG.
Yeah.
So, Sydney, do the honors.
Do the
Sirain
unboxing.
mo na yung
Sirain mo na. We're so excited to give guys our first impression about this scent. By the way, this is a French Avenue. This is a Middle Eastern na napakasikat na clone house. Okay? So, this is, the name of the fragrance is
Atlantis from French Avenue.
Atlantis Extract
Straight
from
version.
French Avenue.
Yeah.
Yung packaging.
Grabe.
Yun.
Uy, grabe. Sige, lapit mo nga Sydney sa camera. Ayun. Yun. Grabe
Wow.
naman. Napakaganda. Okay. Let's do the honor spray. Okay.
Baka din siyang Wave Child. Yung color talaga ng bote ng Wave Child is
Oo.
like parang transparent blue. And
Parang
Ayun
very wavy, no? Parang
yung
tubig,
ginawa
no?
nila dito, and it's nice.
Okay.
First impressions.
Sige, go. Ikaw muna. Okay. Tapos spray din yan. Okay. Oh.
Ano yung una mo na amoy?
Una, watermelon.
Pakwan.
Pakwan na pakwan. Kamusta, Sydney?
Wala akong masabi.
Grabe.
Meron ng mga watermelon-based fragrance, pero parang nasa background lang siya. Ngayon ako nakaamoy
Grabe.
ng pabango na
Ang
parang,
sarap.
parang candied watermelon.
Candied
no?
watermelon.
Candid nga.
Juicy candied watermelon.
Sarap.
Tapos
Wow.
at the back, you can smell that fresh coconut. Pero yung coconut niya is not too fruity.
Yeah.
Parang medyo coconut watermelon na coconut na watery.
Watery. Oh.
I mean, naamoy mo yung parang orange.
May orange ako naaamoy. The orange and the coconut nagbibigay ng creaminess sa watermelon. Grabe.
Pero yung coconut niya, hindi yung parang...
Hindi yung parang Santa lotion. No, it's not. It's a very very quality coconut yung naamoy ko. Pero yung watermelon, parang nararamdaman ko parang bawat kagat mo ng watermelon, lumalabas yung katas ng watermelon sa bungangaw mo eh.
Ang bright, ang crisp, no?
Sobrang crisp, malinis, very watery watermelon. How about sa'yo, Sydney?
Wala akong masabi. I mean, hindi ako nagiging bias.
Yeah.
Pero, based since naamoy ko na yung OG, which is yung room 1015, wala, di rin ako sinabihan ni Boss Terence and Boss Armin. Honest opinion, I'd say 90%, 95% andun siya.
Oh my God!
And for the price,
Sydney,
Wala akong
for
masabi.
those na hindi nakakaalam, yung 100 ml ng Wave Child, magkano siya? More or less?
Wave Child sa atin, it's around 8.5.
Ilang ml yun?
100 ml.
Oh.
Pero
Ano yung concentration niya?
EDP.
Okay.
EDP siya. And this one is X-Straight, di ba?
Straight, yeah.
So magkano to, boss?
Mga nasa
2,000.
2,000 plus ng
something.
French Avenue.
So it's parang
Ang masabi.
1/4 of the price.
Grabe.
Guys, 8
sarap.
plus yun. Pag kay Sydney nyo bilhin, ha? Sa labas, mas mahal pa yun.
Mas mahal yun. Iba talaga pag retail. Okay. So
Bango
far,
niya.
Nakuha niya.
kuwang-kuwa niya.
Kuwang-kuwa niya.
Wow. Grabe ah. Quality ang sarap. I would buy it. I would love to own a
Alam
bottle
mo-
of this one.
Panay lemon, panay lime, panay bergamot.
Panay grapefruit.
Oh, grapefruit. Grabe, pakwan naman.
Pakwan naman. Kain naman tayo ng pakwan. Grabe ah. Pero alam mo, ano naaalala ko dito? Naalala ko yung memories ko with my family sa Iran na mahilig kaming kumain during New Year ng pakwan. May parang season kami na parang celebration na New Year na pag walang pakwan dun sa family nyo, hindi mabubuo yung parang yung day na yon. So everyone needs to buy pakwan, watermelon, pangpaswerte, pampabigay ng tamis sa buhay. So it reminds me of parang happiness of day during sa kasama ko yung family ko. Dahil because of the Atlantis, because of the juicy, mouth-watery watermelon. Ikaw ba, may naalala ka ba, Terence?
Actually, wala eh. Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi partially kinakabahan ako kasi pakwan as main note. Pero ano, ang bango niya.
Sobrang bango.
At saka yung coconut niya,
sarap.
hindi siya yung nakakaumay na coconut.
Oo.
May parang sa libo o ano.
Hindi.
Watery coconut
Oo,
siya.
oo.
Ang sarap ng coconut niya.
Ay, perfect sa Pinas to.
Yeah.
I dare say.
Pero alam mo, may naaalala ko sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung nakakain na kayo. Yung parang candied siya na parang, yung
Jolly Rancher ba yun?
parang ganun, something like that. It reminds me of
Yeah,
that.
Sour Patch na watermelon.
Sour Patch?
Or alam mo yung parang trolley na gami.
Truly na.
Parang gamot na.
Ang sarap.
Kuha ko siya. Kuha ko.
Kamusta naman yung performance ng Wave Child so far sa naamoy mo na to? How would you compare it, Sydney?
A Wave Child, I'd say 6 to 8 hours. Pero not bad since Freshie usually performs like that.
Yeah.
Or this one, okay siya. I mean, kahit i-spray mo siya, hindi ka manghina yun, di ba?
Yeah.
For the price.
Yeah.
Siguro, i-update na lang natin yung mga viewers pag na-full wear na natin.
Na-full na wear
kung
na
ano
namin
yung
yan.
performance nito.
Exactly. So, yun lang yung masasabi namin. I think, for me, tatanungin ko silang dalawa kung ano yung ratings nila. For me, easily, this is a 10 out of 10 fragrance. Kasi, I think patok na patok to sa Pilipinas. And this is a fragrance that, maski high heat, yung sobrang tirik na araw, this scent will make you stand out and also panghaharabas nyo to. Sa tingin ko, ito yung pabango na kaya mong ubusin hanggang until the last drop, itong Atlantis Extrait. Such a good one. How about you, Sir Sydney?
I'd say 9 out of 10. Kasi fan ako ng Room 1015. They have good fragrances like Lavomatic, Sonic Flower, and isa yung Wave Child sa bestseller nila. And kasi yung mga ibang mga Middle Eastern fragrance, minsan nagiging matapang or kaya nagiging yung mga citrus niya medyo overpowering.
Yeah.
But this one is done very well and very balanced. Tapos hindi siya nakakaumay like what you've said earlier. Sobrang balance niya. And yung coconut niya, watermelon,
It's
balance lang.
perfection.
Wala akong masabi. Hindi ako nagiging bias pero
Yeah.
90 to 95%
Closer daw.
andun siya. Andun siya.
Ako naman,
Yeah.
oh,
How about
ako,
you?
hindi ko na siya irarank. For me, it's a blind buy success. For
Wow.
someone na hindi nakakaamoy ng OG.
Yeah.
I like it. Lastly, alam ko may magtatanong dyan eh. Yun nga, nasagot ko na. Is it blind buy safe? I think it is.
Yeah.
Nasagot na rin siguro ni Sydney, is it close to the OG? Yes, it's close to the OG. And lastly, ikaklaro namin na hindi kami sponsored.
Yeah. We're not sponsored.
Binili na naman namin ni Armin yan out
Yeah.
of our pocket. So, it's no hyping, it's genuine reactions.
This is our honest opinion. We're giving you our honest recommendation and sana ma-appreciate nyo to, guys, okay? So, walang promoting on anything here, okay? This is just our honest thoughts about it. Let us know in the comment section down below. Have you tried Atlantis Extrait by French Avenue? And also, have you tried ang Wave Child from the brand of Room 1015, which is a US brand ba? Tama ba?
Oh, yes.
US brand. So it's an artisan brand. In the comment section down below. Nothing else to say, Sir Sydney? Can you give us your brand again, a shout out?
Go check out SenseSpace Official at, ano ngayon?
Picture app.
Picture app
And Blue App.
Blue App.
Ayun.
Yun lang, guys. I offer decants of Room 1015 Wave Child and full bottles. Just send us a message.
Yeah.
Guys, dyan ako bumibili. 100% legit.
Sobrang legit sa legit.
Legit
Hindi nyo
yan.
na kailangan magpa-legit check pa.
Kami na magba-vouch dyan.
Approve namin yan. Nothing else to say, Boss Terence?
Wala na.
Till
Guys,
next time,
success.
successful guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, friends and family, love you all. Bye-bye.